good people, welcome to Chepar Farm. Yeah, welcome back to Chepar Farm. It's been long, I think 3 weeks before I shot another video, before this video, but a lot of things going on in the farm, a lot of things going on. We've been very busy with so many things, farm wise, personal life wise. There have been a lot of things going on, and we just couldn't find that enough time to create a video for you guys. Sorry about that. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel, okay, and like our videos, so that these videos, if you like them, it will be recommended to other people so that they can be able to view them and it will be helpful to them. So if you need to help other farmers as well, please like the videos, share your comments, and please subscribe to our channel. If you have already subscribed to our channel, thank you very much for your subscription to our channel. We really appreciate you guys a lot, and we'll just ask you to like this video and share it to your friends. All right, so going back, so here's the thing. So, these chickens are not laying eggs, and it's really worrying me a lot. Yeah, I spend a lot of time thinking how I can make them lay eggs. I will be happy even to see those small, those small eggs that the chickens lay when they're first laying. I would appreciate even seeing those eggs. I know previously I've never appreciated those eggs, but right now I'm so desperate that I would appreciate even getting those eggs, those small ones, the ones that are like quail eggs. But I'm getting none of those. So man, I'm really worried, and I said, I don't know if any one of you has ever gone through this. Any one of you is farming, who's doing poultry farming, has ever gone through this, and I would really appreciate advice on what I can be able to do to be able to make my chickens lay eggs. Yeah. So I know some of you will be asking me, what changed, or what happened that the chickens are not laying eggs? Or somebody will say, did you change the feeds? Yes, we changed the feeds on exactly week 18. Okay, we changed their feeds, but we didn't change the feeds immediately from grower smash to layer smash. No, you can't do that as a farmer. Yeah, so what we did is we changed the feeds. We changed the feeds gradually. Okay, we changed the feeds gradually from grower smash to layer smash, and this is what we did. This is what we did, because I need help, so I need to give you as much information as possible so that I can be able to get that help. Okay, so this is what we did. We brought in feeds. Okay, at the beginning of week 18, we brought in feeds, and we started feeding them a quarter of 70 kgs of layer smash on the first day of week 18, and 3/4 of grower smash. Okay, then they fed on that for 2 days. Okay, a quarter layers, 3/4 growers. Then after 2 days, we shifted to a half of the feeds, from half of grower smash and half of layer smash. That is after 2 days. I don't know if I did it the right way, but I felt that I need to do this within a week. Okay, a half of growers and half of layers. Then they fed that for 2 days. Then on the 5th day, on the 5th day, we changed the feeds again to a quarter of grower smash to 3/4 of layer smash. Right, then after that they fed on that for 2 days, and then after that, so we shifted back, we shifted the chickens fully to layer smash. So after 2 days, we started feeding on layer smash. So we did it gradually. I don't know if it's too soon for changing the feeds, but I think they took it well, because we looked at their droppings, everything was looking good. You had all those fantastic signs, except for a few chickens, which now what we did immediately, actually it was before changing the feeds. 1 day before changing the feeds, we did deworm the chickens on week 18, on actually a day before they started 18 weeks. We did what? We dewormed them. Mixture from we mixed it in the tank, in the automated tank, and we dewormed them 1 week for that day. And then now we changed their feeds. And then after that, what I did is multivitamins for the chickens to just release the stress that they may be having. Okay, they drank the water with multivitamins for I think a day, and they were done. All right, they were done. Then after actually completely changing the feeds to layers mash. Okay, so we just to release the stress relievers and all those medications to release stress in case they had. Then what we did after a week of that is we noticed there was some difference in dropping a little bit on a few chickens, and what we did is there's this medicine, it's called liver gel, I think liver gel, yes. So we gave them that for a day, and after that no other medication for the next 3 weeks. Yeah, so it's now 21 weeks old, and man, no single egg. Yeah, I used to keep improved kienyeji chickens. I think it was rainbow roasters. It was improved kienyeji, not rainbow roasters. The curry ones, the Kenya Agricultural Research Institute ones, we used to keep them, and they started laying on week 19, and they faced a very harsh environment as compared to these ones. These ones, I think we've pampered them a lot, so yeah, I think we've pampered them a lot, but then they faced a harsh environment. The house structure, I showed you how my house design was, chicken house design was, it was really bad. Right now these ones are really enjoying because their chicken house is really nice. We did change the structure, the chicken house, and this structure is really awesome as compared to what we used to have. We used to have the structure here behind me here, and you can see we demolished that because it was close to the road reserve. I think we had the building was, I think, 1 meter on the road reserve. It was a semi-permanent building, so no hard feelings about that. So but yeah, we had to take it down. I think in the next 2 or 3 years we'll have road expansions here, so we wanted just to be safe, not to invest a lot in that structure, because most likely we'll end up actually bringing it down. So what happened is, here we built this structure. It's 1.5 meters height of iron sheets. It has iron sheets, sorry about that. It has iron sheets from the bottom here to here, which are around 1.5 meters. Okay, and then it has this chicken wire for another 1.5 meters up, and then we have the roofing, of course. Okay, so this is the only thing that we changed, but we changed this on week 16, so that is 2 weeks before actually the chickens hit 18 weeks. So it shouldn't be a factor a lot. The reason I think it may be a factor somehow is because they used to live in an enclosed room. It did not have a lot of aeration, and that room was really stuffy, so we had to actually, those are some of the things that actually forced me to change their environment. Right now this room is fresh as it can be. Nobody even will know that we are keeping chickens here. No smell, like nada, no smell at all. Yes, and I've not used a lot of sawdust, by the way, on this ground here. So it can be the environment, can be that. So it might be something else. So probably I just need to give them more time, but I'll be open to your opinions. Please share your feedback, please share your advice on what I can be able to do. I've actually read this on internet so many times, and now I'm really confused on what to do. And the only thing that I've remained with is, oh man, I just need to wait. I just need to wait. I just need to wait for another 2-3 weeks and then see. If it can't, then I don't know. I will probably visit the farm that I bought these chickens from, and these chickens from when they are day old chicks, and seek advice from them. I'll just give them another probably 2 weeks, probably until the beginning of the new year in 2022. You sweet chickens, please give me eggs. At least the beginning of 2022, give me eggs. I need eggs. All right, that's it for today. I'm really happy to be back. You can see I feel good being back. It's awesome. It's a bright day. And for all our subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. To all our new viewers, thank you for finding these videos. I hope I've been really helpful to you guys. I'm waiting for your advice, both subscribers and my new viewers. I'm really hoping that you'll give me some advice on how I can be able to fix this problem, because it's really giving me some headaches, sleepless nights. All right, so please feel free to subscribe to our channel, and if you subscribe to our channel, you'll have a lot of good luck in 2022. I guarantee you do that. So please subscribe, like our videos, share your comments. If you have anything that you can be able to tell me, share your comments here. Until next time, guys, bye bye.